Remember, remember the 11th of September, the global enslavement plot. I know of no reason why the New World Order treason should ever be forgot. Hello, YouTubers. According, to this video that, called 9/11 Eyewitnesses, when the street collapsed, there was an explosion which threw me. That is proof there was bombs placed in the Twin Towers. Don't take my word for it. Research it yourself and ask eyewitnesses. Ask firefighters. Ask first responders. They will tell you they have heard bombs going off in the towers. And also, research building number 7's collapse. It went down the same way as the Twin Towers, which is a controlled demolition. If you put the Twin Towers collapsing, building 7's collapsing, and video footage of a building being controlled demolished, you will notice that is exactly 100% the same. Don't take my word for it. Look it up for yourselves. And remember, it is your duty to question government. It is your duty to think for yourselves. You know how the government says if you question government, you're a terrorist? No. That is a lie your government is spewing out. You have the right to question government. That is under the First Amendment of your American Constitution. Also, dissent is the highest form of patriotism. Remember, people, always question your government, because that is your right. Of course, your government will say, no, you don't have the right to think for yourself, to speak your mind. You don't have any rights. That is bullshit that your government is spewing out. You have the God-given right to think and speak your mind. You have the right to think and question government. You have the right to question your government. You have the right to defend yourselves no matter what. The government, of course, is trying to take away people's right to defend themselves, which is what they do in fascist and communist countries. People, please wake up. Please, I'm begging you, please wake the hell up. Your government, your police are becoming corrupt. Remember, always think for yourselves, always question government, because it is your duty and your right. As the poem says that I actually have quoted, remember, remember the 11th of September, the global enslavement plot. I know of no reason why the New World Order treason should ever be forgot. Remember, people, remember to question your government. Remember to think for yourselves. That is a patriot's duty. And research the collapse of Building 7 on September 11th, 2001. People, please, remember to think for yourselves. That is your right. That is your patriotic duty.